Well, folks, Europe's got a new welcome mat, and it's called ETIAS. Starting in 2025, it's the key to unlock your European adventure for many travelers. Think of ETIAS like a quick hello before you hop on that plane. It's not a visa, but a pre-travel authorization for folks who didn't need a visa before. This helps keep Europe safe and sound. You'll apply online, pay a small fee, and voila. Good for 3 years and multiple trips. It lets you waltz right into those 26 Schengen countries. Remember, though, it's always best to check the specific requirements for your nationality well in advance. Now, for those who needed a visa before, don't you worry, the process is getting a little tune-up too. The good news is that the list of countries requiring visas hasn't changed much. You still apply through the embassy just like before, but hold on, there's more. They're making the whole visa application process smoother and quicker. Online applications with clearer instructions will be the norm, so no more getting lost in a maze of paperwork. Just click, click, submit, and you're one step closer to that European escapade. Okay, let's talk biometrics. I know it sounds a tad futuristic, but it's all about keeping things secure and simple. Starting in 2025, when you enter the EU for the first time, you'll give your fingerprints and a quick photo. Don't worry, it's a breeze. They'll scan your fingerprints electronically and snap a digital photo. This information gets securely stored, making your future trips even smoother. Why all the fuss? Well, it helps authorities confirm your identity and keeps things ticking along smoothly at the border. Now, with all these new rules, you're probably wondering, Rick, how do I prepare? Fear not, my friend, it's easier than packing a baguette in your carry-on. First things first, check those passports, folks. Make sure they're valid for at least 6 months after your trip. Got that ETIAS or visa sorted? Brilliant! Print out those confirmations just in case and keep them handy with your travel documents. And hey, why not download a translation app too? It can be a lifesaver when navigating those charming European streets. With a little preparation and a dash of adventure, you'll be painting the continent your own shade of wanderlust in